Wednesday morning, September the 15th. And it's the year 2021. Sushi's at her first doctor appointment. Not hers, but Mommy's. Her first doctor appointment training. Because she's still not a service dog. She's training to be one. So, okay, I'm gonna sit and ask her to do under after I get her comfortable. Stay. She's hearing sound. Good thing she's not going toward it. Good girl. And she's looking at Mommy. Good girl. And she did it down before I told her, but I'm going to get her to go under. Okay, under. Under. Good girl. Go under. It's kind of hard for her. Let me see, because I have her on an attached leash. She's trying to find a position where she can go under. Okay, ready? Sushi, under. Let me try to guide her. It's hard because I have the clicker and then I have, it's hard, I can't click and do this. Okay.